check out these totally cool tips for visiting Disney's Blizzard Beach water park. While we love to hop around Walt Disney World's 4 main theme parks, our Orlando vacation would not be complete without making a splash at one of the resort's 2 water parks. Before you dive in on your next trip, we've got everything you need to know about Disney's wintry-themed water park, Blizzard Beach, including what it's like since reopening. While we're on the subject of winter, it should be noted that Disney's Blizzard Beach water park is open daily for most of the year, and the water is heated. Yup, even while most of the country is shivering in their boots during the winter months, that is not the case here. Ready to jump in? Here are some frogtastic tips for your trip. Get there early. This is especially true if you're driving or require multiple beach chairs. The parking lot is on the smaller side and fills up quickly on busy days. While there are ample beach chairs available, the best real estate is available within the first hour of park opening. Can't find a chair? Follow the lazy river. If the chairs in the main beach area are full, follow the lazy river for a stroll around the park. There are beach chairs tucked away in quieter spots throughout the park and behind Mount Gushmore. Work up your courage to do Summit Plummet. Summit Plummet is the crown jewel and absolute highlight of Blizzard Beach. You can see park icons across Walt Disney World from high in the sky, before rocketing down 12 stories at incredible speeds, which will be documented by a digital stop clock. Fair warning that this ride is only for the bravest frogs. Bring your cheapest sunglasses. We learned this lesson the hard way when we lost our freshest froggy shades at Runoff Rapids. Buy a few $5 pairs of sunglasses for your water park adventure. Bring your camera. Blizzard Beach is gorgeously themed and has quite a few fun photo op locations worth checking out. Stay hydrated. Even when surrounded by water, it's easy to get dehydrated. Nothing can ruin your day like getting absolutely drained from the sun. Drinking lots of water will keep you energized to enjoy the fun all day long. Bring your own supplies. As a family, you'll totally save a ton if you bring your own towels and other supplies. And, most importantly, don't forget the sunscreen. No one wants a nasty burn while on vacation. And lastly, splurge on water shoes, especially if you're planning on spending a full day or 2 in the water parks. As uncool as they may look, they're worth it, and much easier than holding your flip-flops while flying down Summit Plummet. Especially when you might be spending the next day trekking around Magic Kingdom, you've got to protect those feet. Have another tip for Disney's Blizzard Beach? Share it with us in the comments. Get the exact same theme park tickets for less, no catch, at Undercover Tourist.